ProcessMaker features a native document management system built into its core, available in both community and enterprise versions. This system allows users to define a folder structure for input documents and output documents. Input documents are files associated with a particular case. These files can be text documents, spreadsheets, images, etc. From the main toolbar, click on the Create button next to Input Documents. On the next screen, give your document a title, a type, and a description if you wish. You can enable versioning if necessary. The destination path is a directory in the document repository, which can be static or dynamic. For a dynamic destination path, use the variable picker to select a variable from the list. The value of this variable will be used on the destination path each time a document is uploaded. You can define tags for the document in the same way. Additionally, it is possible to define allowed file extensions and maximum file size for uploaded documents. Click on Save when finished. Output documents are files generated while running a case, which are meant to be printed out or stored digitally outside ProcessMaker. In order to create an output document from the main toolbar, click on the Create button next to Output Documents. Give your document a title and specify a static or dynamic file name. You can then give your document a description and specify a media type and margin size. Output documents can be generated in either doc or PDF format or both. You can also specify PDF security, which allows you to set permissions and password protection to keep your document restricted to selected users. As with input documents, you can enable versioning, a dynamic destination path, and tags. When you are done, click on Save. Now that the properties of your output document are defined, click on Open Editor to start designing its content. You can use the text editor to create a template or simply upload a pre-built HTML design from your hard drive. Use the variable picker to insert information from your process. Click on Save to finish. Input documents can be viewed as referenced by subsequent users and also downloaded, updated, and re-uploaded thanks to the ProcessMaker's versioning capability. Output documents are useful for creating external records of case data, as well as creating formatted outputs such as bills, receipts, and letters. Notice that the data input into the Dynaform has replaced the field names from the output document template. Also notice the dynamic file name at the top. You can view completed input and output documents at any time by navigating to the Home area and clicking on Documents from the Case menu. Here you will see the directories you specified when creating your documents. You can easily navigate through the directories and view information pertaining to each document. In addition, you also have the ability to upload and download documents from the repository. Business process management and document management have always been two closely related applications. Thanks to ProcessMaker's native document management system, you can utilize both from one easy-to-use interface.